my last trip back to the yard, and we're off for 2 weeks. So we're off. We're off for 2 weeks out on the boat. So no more roads for all that time, and that's one of the things I absolutely love. Plus this. So we're going up towards Mercia Marina now. No wind at all. I'm very tired. Been up since 4:30 this morning. Oh, we're away now. Have a good night's sleep and I'll feel fine tomorrow, hopefully. So it's Friday afternoon and we like to head off, and official day for going is tomorrow, but we're heading off today just to get started. So we're just coming up to Willington. Hoping to go down the Coventry Canal. At the moment there's a lot of low water everywhere. When I did the last vlog where we went out, it was a few weeks ago, and the water levels was okay then, but they seem to be deteriorating, so we'll see how we go. Let's see how we get on. There is something, isn't there? Have you seen my lanyard? My radio's attached to that. Oh, Someone selling their wares. It's the hippie boat. And the cheese aboard. It's great to see these canal traders. I would stop and buy something, except we can't moor anywhere. I suppose we could moor alongside them. So this bridge, I'll have to take that down, look. Not standing up. You can see it. Because this bridge is really low. And we usually catch it. Some silly gaps again. So we've both been up very early, so we're going to look for somewhere nice to moor up now we've got through Wellington, and tomorrow that's when our holiday officially starts. So I hope you tune in and see what adventures we get up to. Thanks for watching, take care, bye. Look at that. That is going to come straight over us. Sorry if that was a bit wobbly.